the size of San Francisco, a typical operator has 60 to 100 base stations, depending upon spectrum. In this map, coverage is shown in blue, capacity in green. As data traffic increases, the network becomes congested. Capacity can be added through cell splitting or with small cells. But even with 200 terabytes per month of capacity, the deployment again becomes congested as users consume even more data. Deploying more infrastructure is an option. But what if operators tapped into DeviceScape's CVN of amenity Wi-Fi that's already in place? In San Francisco, the CVN comprises more than 27,000 hotspots and more than 19,000 terabytes per month of capacity. That's nearly 2 orders of magnitude greater than the existing network. DeviceScape CVN offers more than 75 times the capacity reach of any operator in the city. By combining macro cells, small cells, and DeviceScape's CVN of amenity Wi-Fi, operators can enhance mobile data delivery, all while offering a uniquely differentiated network with more than enough capacity reach to satisfy the data needs of their consumers.